Hello everyone, and as promised I'm going to show you how to obtain the transfer function from the given zeros and poles using Matlab, which is your matrix laboratory. So once your Matlab is open, you want to click on new script, which is here, and once this is open you have to type a code to find out those zeros, to find out the transfer function from your given zeros and poles. So the first thing is you need to take input from the user. You want to take input as z is equal to enter zeros. So you want to take zeros from the user. You want to take poles from the user. So you have to enter something like this. You need to take them both. And finally, you can also take the gain from the user. So I'm gonna give k is equal to input of enter gain. So once you're done with this is where the tricky part comes. This Z is about entering zeros, and P is about taking poles, and K is about taking gain. Now you have to form a transfer function from the zeros, poles, and gain you have got from the user. So for that, the code in your Matlab program is num, den, which is your numerator, denominator is equal to zp2 numerical 2 tf of z, p, k. Okay, now comes tf of num, den. So this is your Matlab program. So you're taking zeros, you're taking poles, you're taking gain, and this zp to tf is a function which converts the zpk you have taken from the user into a transfer function, into this numerator and denominator. And this tf of num, den is the function that gives you a transfer function from these three parameters. So first I'm going to save this program. I'm going to save it as transfer from zp. Okay, now I'm going to execute it by clicking on the run button. You can also execute it by typing the name here directly in the command window, but it works even this way. So let me take the example I have already done in the theoretical example. Oral. Okay. Let me give the 0 as -3 and the poles as, you need to give the poles as a column. It works even if you give it as a row, but if you give it as a column it's gonna be even better. And to give it as a column you have to say you have 3 poles. You have 3 poles to give for the transfer function. You need to separate it by a semicolon. Say you gave 2 semicolon 6 semicolon 7. Even if you don't give it, it works most of the times, but better you give it this way. So you got the P. And next you need gain. Let me give the gain as 1. So now it's gonna calculate, and this is gonna be a transfer function. See, it has given the numerator, it has given the denominator, and this is your transfer function. S plus 3 by s cubed minus 15s squared plus 68s minus 84. So transfer from ZP, you need to enter the zeros and Z and then poles and gain, and then it's gonna form all this, and this is your Matlab program. If you want to write it, that you can just copy it from here. And in my next video I'm gonna show you how to obtain the zeros and poles from a transfer function. When you give the input of a transfer function, you get to find out what the zeros, poles, and gain is from a transfer function. So hope this video really helped you, and good luck if you're writing an exam, and have a very beautiful day. Thank you.